people of Cherry Blossom, we want you all to remember to enjoy every moment in life. Embrace the happiness.
This show is a celebration of life, a celebration of love, a celebration of music.
I've got so many songs, so many stories to tell you. We've got a long night ahead of us.
I'd like to welcome everybody to the show.
Thank you, Shillong. Our time in Shillong was perfect, amazing. It couldn't be better. Thank you so much. We are with our hearts full of love, full of your love.
Hello, Cherry Blossom Festival. This was my first time playing in India, and I love you guys so much. You guys were such amazing crowd.
Cherry Blossom, that's a music festival for you.
Oh, Madan, I see the light, can't stop to move. This what I like, can't stop to move.